Hey everyone, we're back at Nutrition Science. So you worked on an ed puzzle last class to kind of introduce you a little bit to MyPlate. And today we're going to go a little bit further with that, asking you to take a look at the actual website. So today, here's what we're on, Nutrition Science, choose MyPlate. And this is our link over to the website. So when you click onto that, you can see this brings you up onto the MyPlate website. And as you look through it, you're going to have to kind of click through and everything. This just tells you, you click on a different food group, you can look through it and get some details and tips and things like that. So mostly what you're going to be doing is clicking around all over this website, seeing what kind of information you have. We're at the home, there's eat healthy, all these different topics in here. So just use that to answer the questions. What you're being asked to do is to get some facts about some of these different food groups like fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, dairy. Then a question like how big is the plate, like in inches. How big is that plate? How much should be taken up by each of those food groups? Then just asks you to name those groups that are represented on the plate, and then finally a reflection. And in that reflection, I talked to you about, first we had this food pyramid, which was this thing. I don't know if anybody's old enough to remember that one, which was later replaced by My Pyramid, which was this one. They kind of changed the format a little. They put a little guy exercising, and they put exercising on it. You had to actually go to mypyramid.com or .gov, and they had actually several different models to follow based on your lifestyle and things like that. So it said, did we move in the right direction? What do you think? Why go from this to eventually to this, right? And MyPlate, we talked about this one early in the year when we did our stations. So which version do you think is the best? Why do you think it's the best? And then what are some of the differences between these different versions, right? More complex, simplicity, things like that. So anyway, that's it. So you have these questions to work on. You're just gonna, like I said, have to explore through this website and kind of click around and find your info, and maybe you'll find some other interesting stuff on there. That's all we have, guys. I'll see you next time.